Honestly, even if you mop 100 times with just water, it wouldn't be as good as me mopping once with this. In the summer, kids love running around barefoot at home, but no matter how you mop, the floor always feels sticky, like it's never really clean. Thankfully, my bestie recommended this stone floor cleaning liquid. It has the original 1:1 formula, super gentle ingredients, so it's totally safe with kids and pets at home. It's really easy to use, just add a capful to the floor cleaner each time. After mopping, the floor is sparkling clean and dries fast, plus the whole house has a faint bluebell scent that smells super nice. I even use it to wipe down glass and tables during big cleanups. It's really that practical. For household essentials like this, it's such a great deal to grab it during a sale.